I'm a teacher by profession actually. So proud to say that I graduated cum laude. So kasi syempre, pag sinabi nilang honor graduate ka, kailangan expected ng family mo, you can get a higher salary. But on that time, hindi po ganun kalaki yung kinikita ko. So one time, I have a Friendster, kasi that time, Friendster pa yung uso di Facebook. Nag-pop up, sabi niya extra income part-time. So pinuntahan ko siya. Nung pumunta ako doon, yun nga po yung orientation ng Unlimited Network of Opportunities International Corporation. Network marketing, I'm so skeptical about that kind of business at first. Kasi unang-una, my first impression about is, alam mo yun, networking is gawain ng mga walang magawa sa buhay. And to think, I'm a professional teacher, gumraduate ng cum laude, tapos magbebenta-benta ng produkto, di ba? Parang napaka-off naman gawin ng isang professional yung ginagawa at yung ine-explain ng speaker during that time. But then sabi ng speaker sa akin, sabi niya, ganito, the only thing you need to do here right now, habang nakikinig ka, is maupo ka lang at makinig at kailangan mo lang siyang intindihin. May nagsalita nag-share sa akin, nagkakotse, kumikita ng malaki, estudyante, earning 10,000 a week, something like that. At first, hindi ako naniniwala kasi in the first place, 10,000 a week is napakalaking kita sa isang estudyante where in fact ako, professional niya, almost hindi ko nga kikitain yun ng isang buwan. And somebody coached me, sabi niya, in earning money, there are two types na pwede mong gawin. Magtatrabaho ka or magnenegosyo ka. I'm not against employment because in the first place, I was in employment for almost 4 years. But then what I have learned in financial management na seminar is, kung gusto mo nang kumitang malaki and at the same time maging financially free, while nagtatrabaho ka, pwede mong isabay yung pagnenegosyo. At that moment, I tried Uno. Actually, at first, I am so focused with the product, ganon. Kasi nga, di ba, skeptic ako sa networking, ayaw ko mag-invite. Product ako. Na-enjoy ako sa products, kumikita ako. That time, di ko na nga namamalayan, sahod ko na pala. And then, finally, I decided to do the business full-time. Especially, nakita ko ng marami na akong mga downlines or group of salespersons under my network na nangangailangan na din ng tulong, lalong-lalo na sa training or yung tinatawag na empowerment. Kasi that's part of our business. Doon nagsimula yung career ko bilang full-time network marketer. Sa Uno, I learned, I acquired all the skills, the capability, the money, and everything na kailangan mong matutunan at ma-develop ka bilang a successful person with a very small capital. Investment. Ulitin ko po, ang Uno po ay hindi trabaho. This is business. Ang tawag po sa amin dito na negosyante ay mga distributors ng Uno. Noong nag-uumpisa ako dito, ang dami-daming negative and rejection, especially sa mga relatives and friends. Ayaw nilang maniwala, nakikita ka ng malaki, yung tipong dinadown nila, yung ginagawa ko right now. But then you know what? If you really want to be successful, don't listen to anybody na sasabihin nilang hindi mo kayang gawin. Because ikaw lang mismo ang makapagsasabi kung kaya mo o hindi mo kaya ang isang bagay na pinasukan mo. Then, I proved it, sabi ko sa sarili ko, I told myself, ginawa ko to, pinasok ko to, kaya ko to. I had a break with online marketing. I learned that for 2 years. Because of my online marketing skills, soon to open yung international branch natin sa Saudi Arabia. And that is under my team. Ang dami-daming OFW, ang sobrang natuwa sa opportunity, sa business opportunity ng Uno. Kasi unang-una, pwede palang patunayan ng Uno na habang OFW ka, you are already preparing, you know what, yung tinatawag na financial success to this kind of business. At ang malupit, hindi apektado yung ginagawa nila pag OFW. At ang malupit pa, kasi alam mo yung nagagawa nila to together with their family. And definitely, yun ang naging turn around ng life ko from being an employee to business. Aside from that, of course, because of this business, I got already my first car in Uno. And you know what? That was 2011 when I was awarded as one of the Millionaires Club of the company. I'm so happy kasi bakit? Unang-una, car, million. Pag nagtatrabaho ka kasi, ulitin ko pa, I'm not against employment, it will take you more than 10 years or 20 years just to have your car, just to have your, just to have your first million. Yun po yung yun po yung naging success experiences namin dito sa Uno na gusto din namin i-share sa lahat ng tao. ang maganda kasi, this is the only business na na-experience ko. Unang-una, small capital, nagtutulong-tulungan. Kasi pag sa labas ka magnegosyo, nako, pag may tindahan ka, yung next month, yung katabi mo may tindahan na rin, competition is very high. Pero sa Uno, wala pong competition kasi lahat kami dito nagtutulong-tulungan. Yung totoo talagang kauno. Okay? So, and at the same time, sa Uno, this is the only reputable business, ang network marketing, especially sa Uno, na yung tipong we are promoting a very religious and very righteous business for everybody. Okay, alam ko sa mga nanonood right now, may naririnig na kayo about Uno or medyo may napakinggan nyo na to sa mga kaibigan nyo. Hindi lahat ng napapakinggan mo or naririnig mo sa labas ay kompleto. Kaya para alam mo yun, para ma-prove mo talaga sa sarili mo na kung pwedeng karapat-dapat ka sa negosyo na to, kailangan mong alamin ng buong detalye. Yung tipong puntahan, kasi dati ganan ako. Kaya ako naging skeptic before about network marketing or about Uno. It's because kulang yung kaalaman ko. But you know what? Nung napunta ako, diniscover ko lahat, nalaman ko. Alam mo yung marami pala sa labas na may dagdag bawas ng mga impormasyon. So para malaman mo kung eto'y totoo para sa'yo, puntahan mo sa office, huwag kang matakot. And at the same time, lahat ng impormasyon na tama at lahat ng sistemang tama ay ibibigay namin sa inyo at ituturo namin sa inyo. Para kung ano yung blessing na na-experience namin right now, ay pwede nyo ring ma-experience.